I came across this poster, and honestly, it looks too good to be fake. It feels like Apple might actually surprise everyone this fall with a new budget computer. The idea itself is simple and really smart. Make a powerful desktop for people who just need the performance. No paying extra for a display, battery, or anything else. And if you look at the MacBook Air, this strategy already works. It didn't fail. In fact, it became one of the most popular Macs. And the main reason? Mobile chips. These processors have a huge performance headroom. Everyday tasks feel effortless. Even photo editing, no problem at all. And now, according to the leaks, Apple might bring that same idea to the Mac Mini. A small, minimal computer, but still powerful. Some rumors say it could use an A-series chip, similar to what's inside the iPhone 17 Pro. And if that's true, it's more than enough for most people. Now let's talk about the design. There are two possible directions. Either Apple keeps the current Mac Mini design and just updates the internals, or they go even smaller, something closer to an Apple TV form factor. But the most interesting part of this leak, the colors. Bright, bold, and that's not random. Big companies often do this. Their most affordable products get the most expressive colors, while the premium ones stay more subtle. Just compare base iPhones to the Pro models. You'll see it instantly. Now, about the price. Yeah, prices go up every year. But here's the thing. Around $600 for a Mac like this, that actually sounds realistic. Especially if higher-end models are just a bit more expensive. So here's the question, if this is real. This could become the most popular Mac in years, and if it's not, it's still one of those ideas that just makes too much sense to ignore.